Hi guys, my name is Rahul and this is the unboxing of Poco F1. Poco F1 is the latest device from Xiaomi. Actually, this is a subsidiary company of Xiaomi called Poco Phone. This is their latest or the first device rather, and it is called Poco F1. It has some decent specs. You can see that in the back side of the box. 845 Snapdragon processor, liquid cooling, AI dual camera, dual pixel autofocus, 4000 mAh battery. Like that, it has all the latest specs of a flagship phone. So they are offering this from starting from 21,999, and the version I have is a steel blue variant with 6 GB 120 GB internal. So the 6 GB 120 GB version comes for 23,999. The 6 GB 64 GB comes to 20,999, and the 8 GB 256 GB storage comes for 28,999. And there is a special edition called Kevlar Armored Edition which costs 29,999. So also with this phone they have released the armored case with Kevlar finish for 799 and Poco mobile screens for 299. The biggest specialty of this phone is this comes for just starts from 21,999 and a Snapdragon 845 chipset is available. That is like the least priced phone till now was Asus Zenfone which was around 30,000, and there is one plus 6 or one plus 60 that you already know is almost around 35,000 and more. So this is a very rare phone that actually has created ripples after launching. So I'm just going to open the box right now. Let's see what is the contents inside this phone. So as usual, you can see that there is a paper cover which usually contains user guide and everything. Let me size this up so that we can clearly see what is inside the box. Okay, I will put that back, and under that you can see the Poco F1 itself. I will remove this and put it aside for the time being. I will turn it on so that we can check the phone also once it turns on. And inside the box you can see that there is a charger and USB type C cable. So charger is quick charge 3.0 supporting charger. So this is a fast charging phone. It has a big battery that is 4000 mAh, so it will be charged fast. That is also another plus for this phone for 21,000. So you will get battery backup. Also you will get quick charge support and the USB type C cable as I mentioned. So this phone has all the latest specs including this. It also has USB type C cable also. That's that's a nice gesture. So usually phones nowadays still continues to use old micro USB cable. So this is a nice thing to do by Poco. And inside the box you can also see the SIM ejector tool also. Okay. Now let us put the boxes and see what's inside this. This is as usual, it will have this paper notes or something like service numbers and everything. Check this. I will zoom in and let's check this really close. So yeah, we can see some details. I mean the service and the other one is the user guide. The other one is I think there is as a so there is a TPU case nowadays. This is very common with the Xiaomi, Honor and other devices that for TPU. This is a very slim case. I don't think it will offer any protection, and I really didn't like the TPU case. At least we can say that it is the okay. That sounds nice. So let's talk about the device itself. It comes with the MIUI 9. Okay, physically over this has 6.18 inch Full HD plus 18.7:9 display. It has a notch with a 21 megapixel front facing camera f2 aperture and an IR sensor for faster face unlocking, and also IR also help to unlock in low light even. And on the side you can see that there is a hybrid SIM slot. That is, it can support dual SIM or one SIM and a micro SD card. So there is a 3.5 headphone jack, then there is a speaker grill and the USB type C port. Oh, there is more cover, let me remove it. There's too much plastic in this phone. And I will remove the camera protector. So as I mentioned, this is a plastic phone. I think I like the blue color more than the black. I have seen the black, so I prefer the blue color over it. Yeah, on the back it has dual camera, sorry, and one is 12 MB f1.9 aperture camera, 5 MB depth sensor, and there is a fingerprint sensor, and on the bottom there is a Poco branding. Let's see what's inside the phone. Yeah, as I mentioned, this has MIUI 9. MIUI 10 is already available for this phone, so you can just update it. So there is Android 8.1 out of the box, security patches, etc. And there is 6GB RAM. Then there is 117.60 GB available of 120 GB variant. As I mentioned, it has 120 GB, but the specialty of this phone is all about speed. It has octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset for ultimate performance. Then there is liquid cooling, so that it can sustain the performance. Then it has UFS 2.1 storage, which is the fastest storage currently available for flagship phone. This is one of the rarest phone that has Snapdragon 845 and 4000 mAh battery. Other phone that has similar specs is Note 9, which has in India it has Exynos chipset with 4000 mAh battery. Outside India, it is in US, it has Snapdragon 845 and 4000 mAh battery. Now the Mate 20 Pro has released also, so it also has 4000 mAh battery plus as a flagship phone. So you can get better performance. You can use this phone for a long time with 4000 mAh battery, and also it supports quick charging. So I think this is a really good package, a package which is very difficult to beat at this 21K price point. Xiaomi actually has nailed this device. I'm not don't have a problem with the plastic bags, because I see most of the people cover the devices with a cover. I am one of the rare people who rarely uses this cover to cover up the device. I only use as a TPU case, and that too for the starting period only. I will put up some samples of the device to check out. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.